Hello, everyone. Welcome to Another Day in the Car. I'm Jules, and today I'm bringing you some updates to the Letecia Stauch case, beginning with papers that were made public on May 3rd. And the first one was filed on April 28th, 2021, and it is by Letecia, and it's handwritten. And most of it is redacted. All it says on here is, I, Letecia Stauch, hereby request the appointment of a state attorney instead. And then I don't know if there's anything been redacted. It looks kind of like it. But then it says the public defender's office. And then, the whole thing's redacted down to the signature that just says Letecia Stauch. So that was April 28th. Then April 29th, what was filed was a notice of endorsement of witnesses for the preliminary hearing, proof evident presumptive great hearing. And that was filed by the people of the state of Colorado against Letecia Stauch. So the day after she filed that, she received the paper saying, the district attorney of the 4th Judicial District of the state of Colorado, blah, blah, blah. Basically, it's saying at the hearing scheduled on May 20th, 2021, the following witnesses are going to appear. And there's Andrew Cohen from the Federal Bureau of Investigation, Jessica Bethel from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office, John Price from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office, Rosario Hubble from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office, Patrick Yonkin from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office, and John Joseph Sarkisian Jr. from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office. But also on this list, it says Harley Hunt, which we know is Letecia's daughter. And then it says, I hereby certify that a true and correct copy of the foregoing notice of endorsement of witnesses for the preliminary hearing, proof evident presumptive great hearing, was personally served to the defendant. So the day after she asked for a lawyer, she got served a paper letting her know that her daughter is being called by the prosecution for that May 20th hearing. Then on April 30th, order reappointing the Office of the Public Defender on behalf of the defendant. This matter comes before the court pursuant to a letter received from defendant Letecia Stauch in which she requests the court appoint her counsel. Based on that request, the court reappoints the Office of the Public Defender on behalf of Stauch pursuant to blah, blah, blah. Appearance of counsel is set for Wednesday, May 5th, 2021 at 3 p.m. So ordered this 30th day of April, 2021. And besides that court information, there was also a short interview with Al by KDVR on Friday after the final divorce proceedings, which Letecia did not attend. And I guess this was just clearing up the financials in that divorce. I believe I've read somewhere that the divorce itself was already finalized. Anyway, when Al was asked about finalizing his divorce from Letecia last Friday, he said, it's kind of a weight finally lifted. And Al says that regarding Letecia, he says, she's done a lot of things that people might question her about. None of it surprises me at this point. And he says nothing will trump the loss for me and Landen and Lena that we feel every day with Gannon. But to compound it with financial issues, the emotional stress, and just the daily having to live with these things going on. And so on that note, I'm going to mention that I'm going to link the GoFundMes for Landen and for Al down below to help them with the costs of legalities and being there for the trial, etc. It's just got to be terrible for them.
As you've seen, she's done a lot of things that people might question and question her about. None of it surprises me at this point, so because I've dealt with it in the past, and I think that the public gets to see what she's all about through those actions, and I'll leave it at that.
In today's hearing, the judge said Letecia has been displaying unusual behavior while in custody, but she remains competent to stand.
Thank you for watching Another Day in the Car with Julez. I'll see you next time.